Hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new here, and if you are new, my name is Danny. Today I'm going to be creating this bronzy, glowy makeup look for summer. I'm going to be showing you some bronzy products I've been using, including a tanning product, as well as some other products that I have been using, and I'm just going to show you how I created this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this, just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so to get started, the main products that I want to kind of emphasize in this video are some products that I have been testing out from the brand Zuii Organic. This brand is made in Australia. So one of the things is their contour and highlight kit. It comes in this cute little cosmetic bag and 3 items come in it. One of the items is their Flora Luminising cream. So what this is, it's a bronzing cream. So you apply it before your sunscreen or your makeup, and it's just going to give a really nice little bronzed look to your face. So this is what that one looks like, and I'm going to be using it, of course, today. And then the next product that comes in that little kit is this is their certified organic Flora powder contour bronzer. This is in the shade Juniper, and that is what that looks like. And then the third thing that comes in the little kit is their certified organic Flora Diamond Sparkle Blush in the shade Mango. Now, really, I feel like I'm gonna have to use this as a highlighter, which I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a highlighting blush. And then also, if you're wanting to look really bronzed and glowy for the summer, they do have self-tanners. The one that I have been testing out is their certified organic Flora Self Tanning Foam. So this is what it looks like right here. Now I have this in the shade Dark. My hair looks insane. I'm sorry. I feel like it looks kind of gross. And I also have their tanning mitt as well. This tanning mitt is so nice. It's so soft and it makes application just so much easier. Definitely think that this is a great mitt to get if you're going to get their tanning foam. Makes it so much easier. So I just want to tell you real quick what I think about it. Now, I don't have this currently on right now. I know I'm looking a little bit pretty white, don't really look super tanned right now, but this one, you guys, this is a really nice self-tanner. This is a self-tanner, of course, that uses cleaner ingredients. So it says that the long search for a truly all-natural self-tanning foam stops right here with Zuii. Our product delivers an amazing instant sunless tan that is entirely infused with safe and healthy ingredients. Our one-of-a-kind botanical and flora blend is infused with bamboo juice, raw cacao, and grape skin extract to provide stunning real results when it comes to color and performance. Our self-tan foam is available in 4 shades to suit your skin tone, ranging from a golden tan to a deep bronze, while also providing your skin with the nourishment of pure minerals and vitamins. This is a super lightweight formula which makes your tanning experience so smooth and effortless. With every coat of application, you are actually providing your skin with clean, quality ingredients that benefit your body and leave you with your desired golden glow for 7 to 10 days. To enjoy a deliciously smelling tan without any chemicals, do your skin a favor by making the change to organic today. So I have tested this out a couple times and I really have been enjoying this. This, seriously, if you are new to self-tanning, I definitely recommend giving this one a try because I feel like it's really hard to make this streak. I mean, I've never had this one streak before. Both of the times that I have used this, it did not streak at all. And actually, when I was looking up about this, I saw a video where it says you can just like go right over the elbows, right over the knees, areas where you're normally supposed to apply like a lotion before a self-tanner because you don't want it to look patchy or too dark in those areas where it can be a little bit more dry. But this one, it says that you can just go right over those areas and it doesn't streak or get issues. And I was a little nervous to do that, but I tried it and it's so true, it works. And it just gives the most natural looking tan. I have this in the shade Dark, and I do find that even with the shade Dark, I did have to do it a couple of times to get my desired tan. I actually probably would have wanted to use it maybe 3 times to get my desired tan color, even with the shade Dark. It just gives a really natural tan and it looks so nice and seamless, and also it fades really well. Some self-tanners kind of fade patchy and you can tell when it's really starting to fade. But this one, I feel like you can't even really tell when it's starting to fade just because it is such a natural tan. So I definitely do recommend this. So this is another way to get that really gorgeous summer glow. So if you're looking for a natural self-tanner, I do recommend that you give this one a try. Let's just go ahead and get on with this makeup look. We're going to do this bronzed and glowy summer makeup look. So of course we're going to be using their contour and highlight kit. So first I'm going to jump into their Flora Luminising cream. So this is that bronzing cream. So I'm just applying this. I'm just going to apply it all over the face. It might look a little crazy at first, but it's just going to give the skin a really pretty bronzed look. And if you don't have any spots or acne or anything to cover up, you don't have to do all the other steps that I'm gonna do, because I'm gonna do some concealer and I'm gonna do some foundation. But if you're happy with how your skin looks, then wow, I feel like it looks insane on camera. It does not look, it looks super like red on camera. It does not look like that in person. But don't worry, even though I'm looking a little nutso crazy right now, it's gonna be fixed, don't worry. It gives a really nice glowy look. I don't know why the camera's picking it up so like red. It does not look flattering right now, especially because it's kind of emphasizing those marks that I have. At least it looks like it is on camera. In person, I feel like it does not look like it does on camera. Anyway, let's move on to the next step. So I'm gonna apply some sunscreen. I'm using the Suntegrity Impeccable Skin Sunscreen. And this is like my go-to absolute favorite sunscreen. It gives a really nice coverage too. So I'm just going to apply this all over the face, and I just use my fingers to apply this. I'm going to go in with the Ficlo Beauty Correct Plus Peach just to get rid of some of those dark purpley, bluey type of colors. I'm gonna put a little under my eyes as well as onto some of the hyperpigmentation spots that I have. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm also going to apply a foundation. Again, if you don't want to apply a foundation, you totally don't have to do that. You can just leave it very minimal and have that really natural bronzed and glowy look. I would do that, but because I do have those hyperpigmentation spots and a couple blemishes, I do kind of want to get a little bit of coverage. I'm taking the Vapor Beauty. This is their Atmosphere Soft Focus Foundation, and this is a very luminous foundation. Now the shade is a little bit dark for my current skin tone. If I use the tanner, I feel like this will match much better. So just be aware that that's why this probably is going to look a little bit dark for me right now. Although maybe not. This is a very luminous foundation, so I'm probably going to look overly dewy or oily after I apply this. So I am going to kind of apply a little bit of powder after this, even though of course we're going for that glowy look, also kind of that dewy look. This is a little bit too dewy for my preference, and it would just kind of slide off my face throughout the day because I do have combination skin. So I'm definitely going to set this with a powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and set this with some powder. I'm going to use the 100% Pure Bamboo Blur Powder. I have been loving this powder. It really is blurring like the name says, and I just think it does a great job if you're really wanting to kind of mattify the face. And it really does a good job of kind of locking makeup in as well and making it last longer. So I'm just mostly going to apply this to the areas where I want to make sure that the foundation is going to stay, and the areas where I normally get oily throughout the day. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera. I'm using the Plume Nourish and Define Brow Pencil. I have this in the shade Ashy Daybreak. Alright, now I'm going to bronze up the face. I'm going to use that bronzing powder from Zuii Organic. So now I'm going to take the Ilia Beauty Color Haze, and this is in the shade Waking Up. I'm just going to apply this for a little bit of a blush. Okay, and I'm going to take the same bronzing powder and I'm going to use this in the crease to start the eyeshadow look I'm going to do. I'm just going to do a really simple eyeshadow look, but just throwing a bronzer in the crease, using that for eyeshadow is always super quick and easy. This blends really nicely as well, super seamlessly Super easy to blend. I like that it doesn't like apply too much at once. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kosas 10-second eyeshadow in the shade Globe. Just shaking this up, and this is a gorgeous champagne type of color, but I think it's kind of a bronzy color as well. And then I'm just gonna go in again with a little bit of that bronzing powder and just kind of add a little bit more. Just deepen it up a little bit. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and go to my lips. I'm going to apply the Lily Lolo. This is their natural lip pencil in the shade Soft Nude. I'm going to top this with the Carry Ground Lip Whip in the shade Shimmer. This is just a really gorgeous kind of light peachy color, and it's just so pretty. I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use the 100% Pure. This is their Fruit Pigmented Ultra Lengthening Mascara, and this is in the shade Blackberry. Alright, now to top it off, I'm going to use the Zuii Organic Diamond Sparkle Blush in the shade Mango. So again, this is like a highlighter. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. And this is like, it has a little bit of glitter, so this is a very glowy highlighter. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Very kind of everyday makeup looking, but it has that very bronzy and glowy look to it. Hopefully you guys found it easy and you liked it. If you did, please let me know by going ahead and giving me a thumbs up on this video. And if you guys do want to continue to see even more content from me in the future, it would mean so much to me if you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.